Summer days are beautiful. We love the early morning light. It's when the garden looks the prettiest. And we love the long evenings. But we do also need the shade. And every garden needs a tree. And in terms of gardening decisions, it is probably one of the most important garden decisions you're going to make, is what tree to plant. And I'm often asked to give advice on what trees to use. And I'm going to give you this piece of advice. And it's probably going to be the most salient, is when deciding on what tree to plant, drive around your local neighborhood and see what is growing. And then you go to your local garden center, because they have the in-depth knowledge of your area, your microclimates, your biome, and what has been successful in all the years and all the time that they have been operating as a business, because they know your spot. And I'm getting to enjoy this beautiful Acer, small garden tree with Rolo, who now wants to hit the road.